dual-head visual laser marking machine is all new upgraded visual laser equipment. It controls process of vision systems through a computer and is equipped with 2-meter long conveyor belts at the same time, and it can be applied to both large and small ranges. There are 2 working modes. One is the high-efficiency double assembly, like independent working mode. Each conveyor belt has an independent sensor. Both rows can be independently alarmed, independently recognized, and do not interfere with each other. The second is the realization of large products at both ends of once marking complete. 2 splicing work at the same time. 2 machines hit half of each. Not only the laser requirements are not so high, and on the basis of the original also saves half the time. This machine can store more products to improve production efficiency for the factory to save a lot of cost.